Hey there, it's Mark with your 1-minute mobile tip. Today we're going to talk about how to make your own jump rings. So jump rings are used to connect the arms of your mobile. You'll see one there, one there, one there. You don't have to use them. You can use, and if you do use them, you can use 1 or 2 or 3. Depending on how many you use between each arm of your mobile, the mobile will rotate differently. So you can buy these big box stores, art supply stores. I like to make my own so that the gauge and type of metal that I'm using on the arms of the mobile match the jump rings. It's really simple. So what you're going to need for this is a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of snippers, a pair of bent nose pliers, and a pair of long nose pliers. These are kind of small long nose pliers. And the technique is really easy. You're going to take a length of wire, maybe 8 to 10 inches, whatever you feel comfortable with. You're going to wrap that wire around the shaft of your screwdriver. I leave a little bit of the end there to be able to use on my finger. Be careful you don't puncture yourself like I just did. You just wrap it around. Try to keep that coil nice and tight so that it creates a nice, perfect circle. So once you have that in place, what you're going to do is take your snippers and just one by one cut each of the little coils off. So what you'll end up with is a coil that looks like this, which is awesome, closed, round, perfect coil, same as what your arm of your mobile is made of. Problem is, unless you're a magician, you can't get that onto your arm. So you're going to need to open that coil up a little bit. What you do, and this is when the pliers come into play, you take your medium nose pliers, stick it on one side of the cut, take your snub nose pliers, put them on the other side of the cut, and you just give it a little twist. And what you've done is then open that up just enough so that you can slide it into your arm of your mobile, and then to close it, you just reverse that process. Super simple, takes a little bit of practice, but I really like the effect of having jump rings that match the arms of my mobiles. All right, have fun. See you next time.